In the air conditioning and refrigeration hose and fitting market, one name stands above the rest. E-ZClip from Eaton. E-ZClip is an engineered system of hose to connector. It's not an add-on or a me-too. It was designed and engineered specifically for the AC and refrigeration markets. This tight tolerance design assures a perfect seal with no mismatches. E-ZClip is found in mobile and commercial markets, including agriculture, construction, truck and bus applications. Both OEs and aftermarket users recognize the dependability and superiority of E-ZClip. Simply, it is the best multi-refrigerant system in the business. Containing refrigerant is much more difficult than containing hydraulic fluid. That's why Eaton created E-ZClip. It starts with Eaton's proprietary GH134 multi-refrigerant hose, the standard in the industry, engineered to work with virtually every hose-compatible refrigerant on the market. Unlike the competition, GH134 is flexible, easy to route, kink-resistant, meets all SAE standards for burst pressure, and eliminates the potential for failure that's common in rigid hoses. E-ZClip uses a stainless cage and clips on a steel fitting, available in a wide range of sizes and configurations, more than 200, and a simple hand-operated crimping tool. That's it. No power tools are required. No experience is necessary. E-ZClip makes a perfect connection, the first time, every time. Whether you're a novice or an expert, you'll make a perfect connection on the first try. The key to E-ZClip is simplicity. Assembly time is cut in half. Orientation of fittings is almost effortless. No other AC and refrigeration hose and fitting system offers all these advantages, plus guaranteed reliability and superior performance. Here's how it works. Start with a GH134 hose, cut to the desired length. Route the hose in the desired path. Slip 2 stainless steel E-ZClips onto the cut end of the hose. These will be used later. Apply any approved lubricant compatible with the refrigerant to the barb. Insert the barb into the hose. Snap the stainless steel cage into the groove on the shoulder of the hose barb or hose nipple. Slide the clips over the cage arms into the channels on each arm. Then crimp the clips with the hand tool. It's that simple. You have a perfect connection in a matter of seconds. The barb uses 2 elastomer O-rings that were specifically designed and engineered for E-ZClip applications. This assures optimum sealing because the 2 clips are directly over the O-rings to assure there will be no rollout. How dependable is E-ZClip? Well, there are over 4 million E-ZClip assemblies in the field with virtually no failures. In fact, the E-ZClip system is so highly regarded for its integrity and reliability that it is currently used on Humvee military vehicles, where dependability is a must. Eaton offers a full product line in the E-ZClip system in fitting categories that include charge ports, switch ports, standard connectors, 90s, 45s, Ts, O-ring pilots, ORS, bulkheads, splicers, lifesavers, and other unique connections. Lifesaver fittings are available in both aluminum and unplated steel for ease of field brazing. Of course, E-ZClip components can be ordered in bulk, or you can order the E-ZClip system tool case, featuring an assortment of clips and cages, plus the crimping tool, a hose cutter, and a replacement blade, all in this convenient grab-and-go package. E-ZClip is the superior system for AC and refrigeration. As the name implies, it's easy to use. Plus, it's compatible with almost every refrigerant. It's fast and simple. No power tools or mandrels are required. It makes a perfect connection every time. Novice or experienced, anyone can do it. Fewer steps are required, so assembly time is cut in half. Fitting orientation is easy, and it's backed by the leader in the hose and hose end industry, Eaton Corporation. For every AC and refrigeration application, choose the best. Choose E-ZClip from Eaton.